Let's be honest, life in 2025 is busy. Emails to send, plans to make, tasks to finish. But what if I told you there's one free AI tool that can literally take a load off your plate? Yes, I'm talking about Chat GPT, but not just for chatting. I'll show you 5 insanely useful ways to use Chat GPT for daily life automation, from planning your day to handling stuff you didn't even know you could automate. Waking up and wasting 30 minutes figuring out what to do first? Yeah, we've all been there. Just ask ChatGPT. Plan my day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., including breaks, focus time, and a walk. It'll generate a full schedule based on your goals. Boom! Less decision fatigue, more productivity. You start your day with clarity instead of chaos. What should I cook today? What do I need to buy? These small questions eat up brain power. Just type, "Give me a 3-day vegetarian meal plan with a grocery list." ChatGPT gives you recipes, ingredients, and even cooking tips. Also, ChatGPT doesn't forget garlic like you do. Trip planning is stressful. Finding flights, comparing hotels, figuring out what to do. Ugh. Ask, plan a 3-day budget trip to Dubai, including sightseeing and cheap hotels. ChatGPT will give you a full itinerary, tips, and even local hacks. These ChatGPT hacks aren't just cool, they're life-changing. But wait, what if you could actually use AI to make real money online? Yeah, that's not just a dream, it's already happening. Click on this next video to discover the best AI tools that are helping people earn money in 2025. Freelancers, creators, even beginners.